Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. In this collection you see the Easter decoration ideas, Easter wreaths design, Easter centerpieces ideas. All designs are so creative, so amazing, so fantastic, and guys, this collection is very interesting for you. Wreaths designs are so stunning, so adorable, and wreaths as well as this collection is very interesting related to the Easter and the spring decoration ideas. So watch my video, to like my video and to share my videos on daily basis. If you like to my channel, please subscribe and watch the video till the end. Amazing colors and amazing shades and amazing ideas of Easter spring wreaths design, Easter ideas and decoration of Easter for home. And I think this collection is very amazing for you because the decoration are amazing, creative, and they are not the repeated designs and not the old designs.